What's up everybody, Adam here back at you with another video. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to take the stock bumper you have on the Gladiator like I have here and turn it into a stubby one. And yeah, let's get right into today's video. You can do this in your driveway, in a parking lot, wherever you want to do it. It's pretty easy. You only need like one tool and it takes a total of like 5 minutes. You could use a drill, however, I can only find this. I only needed T45, but it only had the ratchet version at the Home Depot. So if you have a drill, you can use it, but this is what I'll be using today. Total number of, I think, 8 bolts. Let me show you. Alright, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there's 7, 8. Alright, so let's get to cranking. Screws off on this side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and screw those back in. I'm working on this side. Got one more left with my finger. Oh, there it goes. Let's go ahead and pull this guy off. Here it is. Stubby bumper. We're all done. Let's see what it looks like. Yeah, so it's all done. It only took 3 to 5 minutes, probably a little bit more because I had to hand ratchet, but if you had a drill, it would have took a lot less time. But I didn't have one, so if you do, definitely use it. What do you think I should do to the Jeep next? Winch? Bed rack? Something? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.